Rough, brutish passage of play, and it's Amana Bank try number 1.
ජීවිත කාලයටම අල්ලන් ඉන්න පුළුවන් කෙනාව තෝරගන්න.
Swiss Tactile Adhesive අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
Premier Trophy final between Mahanama College and Ananda College.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. That's well collected by the Mahanama skipper. He's made some ground there. Skipper, ball in hand, just a very rough, brutish passage of play, and it's Amana Bank try number 1 for Mahanama College. Very well done. That was attempt, and good stuff by skipper Isru Silva to set up that attack.
That's Silva, one of the props.
He'll be looking to add insult to injury. And he does. 2 more points on the board for the lads. On the inroads, they are making inch by inch, working that line. Lob pass towards the corner. Can the winger make it? And he does. A quick reply. And Anand College have their first Amana Bank try.
They could get the 2 points here and make it all equal. Brilliantly done. And that goes. So, just as I said,
Mahanama College, to their credit, need to get back on that horse, because that defensive back line and punch back. Number 10 collects it. Lob pass just goes down almost immediately, but good offload, shows and goes, sidestepping. Can the number 9 get his way? That's the number 13, and that's well executed. That's Kannangara with try number 2. Amana Bank try number 2 for Mahanama College. 12 points up, they go.
Of this final continues, Arvind. Look at that, brilliant. Look at the offloads. Picture perfect from these youngsters, Mahanama College.
Have been taking. They will be looking to shore up those defenses on the blind side. Not too many defenders left. Again, just a very dangerous brand of rugby that Mahanama College have played, and they have suffered for it. Amana Bank try number 2 for Anand College.
Make it all equal once again. Here's the replay. Look at that, Samudita fending off the first tackler, then carrying 2 more tacklers from Mahanama College to touch it down, and Attanayaka. This kid is quite impressive. He makes it 2 out of 2.
But like you said, perhaps questioned and overshadowed by the errors that have been made. Quite an audacious set piece, not quite well executed by, picked up by the winger. Good stuff, he makes some yardage. Again, a room for a bit of aggression there, but does well.
And that will be the half-time of this exciting Premier Trophy final between Ananda College and Mahanama College. So here's the half-time score confirmation. Mahanama College 12, Ananda College 14.
Enjoy the infinite possibilities of the freedom of space, inspired by the beauty of our land. Sri Lanka's finest finished, largest sized porcelain tile collection. Majestica. Lanka Tiles. Fine living redefined.
Will we see another sudden death? Will we see another close tussle? Will one of the teams be able to run away with the game in the second half? Good kick to begin the second half. No nonsense clearance kick straight away from Rehan Attanayaka. The continuity of play, gaining meter by meter. Now they decide to give the ball out. Here's Attanayaka, gives it to Chamudita. Chamudita, will this be a hat-trick? Yes, it is a hat-trick for Chamudita in this Premier Trophy final. And the College, they increased their lead up to 5 points, and with a conversion to come up, a very straight conversion to come in the second half. Yes, the replay, the forwards, they kept on hitting, they kept on gaining meter by meter, and just at the right time they decided to give the ball out. The forwards, they drew the forwards from Mahanama in towards Iraq, towards that defensive tactic, and Attanayaka with that lovely pass out to Chamudita, and Chamudita managed to evade the first defender and just ran away from the next one. A lovely step away from the third defender to go underneath the post, and Rehan Attanayaka, he will just kick it through quite easily.
Get himself over the line, leading from the front, going for that blindside winger. Number 6, can he make it over the edge? Yes, he does. Hopefully this shall not be too little too late. Again, you can see that there was a mistake in interception there. Again, that composure. Will it be 2 more points on the board? Working that line. Here we go. That number 12. Looking to work the line. Does he pick the gap? Thankfully, it's well collected. The number 11 just trying to get over the line. Will he make that wonder run? Will he? Won't he? That is the question. And it's try number 4 for Mahanama College. And take a bow, son. You've done it time and time again. And yes, it may be a cramp for you, but it's 5 more points on the board for your college.
Here at Havelock Park. Here's the replay. Hapuhinna is always going away from the defenders. Attanayaka tried his level best to hang on to Hapuhinna, but he was unable to do so. He had a lot of pace, and here's Anand. They are with possession, but still inside their own half. They need to try and get inside Mahanama College territory, and the replacement scrum half unable to get the job done there, and they have conceded a penalty. Holding on, says the referee, and they are going for points. Will it be 27-21? Unfortunately not. Still 3 points between the two sides. Makes a collection and takes the risk here. And that's a costly mistake. They knock the ball forward inside their own 22. And ladies and gentlemen, that's the end. Mahanama College, they clinch the Darla Schools Rugby Knockouts Premier Trophy here at Havelock Park, beating Anand College 24 points to 21. They were trailing 21-12 going into the last 15 minutes of the game, but 2 back-to-back tries managed to turn things around. The momentum completely shifted, and Mahanama College, just like that, they managed to clinch the trophy.
The final scoreboard 24-21 favoring Mahanama College. 4 tries to them, and Anand College were dominant through many passages of the game with 3 tries to their name, fully converting all 3 of them. And the player of the match, N. Hapuhinna from Mahanama College, scoring those last duo of tries.
එක පැත්තකින් වාගෙන ඉඳි තව පැත්තකින් මතුවෙනවා. මේ ටයිල් එක බෑ. දෙක තුනක් කැරිලත් එක්ක. තමරි අක්කා.
ජීවිත කාලය පුරාම අල්ලන් ඉන්න නම් ටයිල් අල්ලන්න ඕන ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩිසිව්.
ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩිසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.